Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be doing all programs and options with this zanussi dishwasher starting with. You got different programs to know what they're designed for different how dirty they are. That's quick wash at 30 degrees. I think 30 half an hour program. Until 70 probably is a 70-minute cycle, I think. You got normal 65 in economy 50. Time delay, then you turn on. So a sorghum lever usually is about economy 50 degrees. So I'll just keep it there. You must have time delay 3 hours. Those lights come on. That's your inside. If I just show you. That's your inside. That's the inside symbol there. Thanks for watching.